Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? Well, it's Mother Eagle here, and I had just looked up something by Tony Robbins, and he has a wonderful book called Awaken, the Giant Within, and it reminded me of the power we have in ourselves. The power we have in ourselves is so big. If only we could learn to tap in and actually use it without fear, knowing that we are well protected, and knowing there is divine timing, knowing that certain things have to happen at a certain time, even when there is a delay, but also knowing that there is a collective consciousness, meaning that, for example, if you live in fear, chances are you are projecting fear, you're projecting love, you're projecting uncertainty. Now that projection is going to your neighbor, and your neighbor is doing the same thing. So imagine if it is 100, 1,000 of you, all of you giving off a projection of fear, a projection of uncertainty. What is going to happen? The natural law, we are creators, so we create situations. Life has to create situations to align with the things we are thinking, with the things we've created in our mind, whether good or bad. As remember, we are taking personal responsibility and personal accountability to build the kind of life we want. So what are you thinking? What are you creating in your mind's eye? And whatever you're creating in your mind's eye is what is going to show up. These are natural laws that we cannot change. It is what it is. Meaning, if you are in a habit of creating things that are contrary to your reality, that is when you go back and you start cautiously creating, checking on yourself every other time to see, what am I thinking on and what am I creating? Are the things I'm thinking and creating going against what I desire, or causing all kinds of chaos, And imagine if a majority are thinking a certain way, that the life circumstances will go in the same direction. That is just the way it works. So going back to individuals, going back to you as an ego, an ego who is a visionary, an ego who is a creator and you know your creative ability, an ego who knows you're well protected and well provided for. Start creating the reality you want. Think it, write it, take action towards it. Whatever is in your mind's eye, write it down, make it plain so others may run with it. Then start taking action as you're inspired. Action from one step to another, and before you know it, your reality will start to change. So I encourage you today, create something new and unleash the power within. I'll leave a link to Amazon for the recommended book. As always, it's Mother Eagle. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.